Check out this barnet, aka hair. This is the usual look in the morning. It looks whack. I've taken 2 weeks off work, guys, to basically nail so much admin and the launch and just some new ideas that I want to put in the pipeline ready for my exhibition and everything else. I've got some really cool announcements coming up. But I just want to show you something cool in my office. This was actually the viral video project. This is the actual project timeline, which is where you dump all your videos before you start to edit, etc. Check out all these videos that I received from so many different people across countless countries. I'm going to do another project, another viral type project, but something really big, something for all the Jump Nation family out there. I want you to get involved. I know you guys who saw the video and weren't involved or weren't featured and didn't send in a video, you guys are now itching to get involved. I know you are. So I've just finished up editing this little bad boy for Insta. This one I've done a little mini tutorial on my EB. So I've seen so many people on Insta trying to nail this move, and a lot of them are doing it really well, and I wanted to basically get more and more people involved in it. It's one of my most requested tricks, and I'm going to hopefully get people doing it the right way, the slick way, as we always do. Serious old school pictures. Check this one out. This is the day me and Gigi first put the logo on the wall. This is like one of the classes I did back in the days. Yeah, super cool times. Make sure the backhand is facing behind you. Nice, beautiful day today. Crisp, not too cold, but the sun is out, and that's the main thing. That's what we like to see. Right, so we're here at my favorite place. I'm so, like, I'm just filled with proper joy right now, proper happiness. Like, I don't have many close friends. I would have to have a very tight-knit friends kind of circle, but I'm just glad to kind of call you you guys family and friends and everything else. And even though I ain't met you and all that sort of stuff, just from the comments and all from just anything else that any kind of interaction we're having on Instagram and on YouTube, it's just a family kind of feel right now, and I'm so blessed, guys. Check this out. How cute is my niece? Elena, say what's up. Say YouTube. Subscribe to the Jump Rope Coach. We're gonna get you skipping like a boss. Where are you going?
Clinic. What? Hello.
It's my sis, Maze.
What's up, YouTube?
Say what's up, Mum. Say what's up.
What's up?
Yes, guys, so we are back home. You caught a glimpse of the Marjorie, aka Mumsy. A few days ago, I put an image of my mum and I from my first birthday. It was for Mother's Day, just repping all the mums out there doing a great job. There was a general theme of that post from all my Indian family who were commenting and were really surprised, and they were asking, are you Indian? Are you Indian? Are you Indian? And I got like a ton of these type of messages on my DMs and on that post. And I know a lot of my followers out there are indeed Indian. So I'm just gonna make it clear right now. I am 100% Indian. And one thing to note here is that is not milk in that bottle. I don't know what my mum was packing me up with there. It looks like pre-workout or some sort of juice, but I'm a 1-year-old baby there. Yes, folks, we are now getting down to work. Check out this setup. So I've got my printer up there because the cable is too short to reach the table. Got a laptop here, got all the t-shirts and products to hand, yellow there. Then I've got the rest of the colours in these bags. And then we've got these nice cool bags that we're actually packaging all the Phantom products in, or most of them, anyone that's ordering the t-shirts. We've got some killer grub made by the missus. Got these Indian bhajiyas, killer chili sauce. What are you doing?
Buy the t-shirt.
Gigi's rocking the small men's. It looks nice actually, little boy's cut. Soon we're gonna hopefully move all of this stuff into the gym. Right guys, so all the orders are done. We're about to head out, but before we do that, I want to quickly show you something quite cool. Elevate, so the organisers of Elevate, the exhibition that I'm going to be at on May 9th and 10th, they've handed me 100 free invitations to give to my followers, my friends and my family. But I reached out to them and they've hooked me up. So I want you guys to get involved. If you're in the UK, if you're in London in particular, please just come down, spend the day with us, just chill with us, or spend a couple of hours with us. All you need to do to grab yourself this invitation is email me at info@rushathletics.co.uk, and in the address in the subject title of that email, please put Elevate Invite. Elevate Invite, 2 separate words, and I'm going to shoot you down these invitations. So just in that email, just make sure you put your address, your full address. No like charge or anything will be made to you. I'm going to be sending these out for free to your doorstep, and I want to see you there, guys. So comment down below if you're interested, and if you're going to ping me an email, and I'll look out for it. Right. It is 2 o'clock. I've been trying to work this scene for quite a while now. It's about 2 o'clock now. We're going to go down to the people who manage my graphics. We run out of headed cards, packaging. Anyway, before I do that though, I was just on Amazon.com. So I was just checking up on some of my reviews. The reviews have been phenomenal. Like, there's been so many cool reviews, 5 stars, 5 stars. This is by far the best rope. You can't even see it. This is by far the best rope I've tried. And then yesterday, or a couple of days ago, someone drilling, so 1 star, way too short, explanation mark, way too short for someone that is 6 feet tall. That's that one. Another 1 star, too short. Now, I use Amazon UK, and the reviews are so powerful. It's only a couple of people in the whole kind of vast majority of it who are not really happy with the rope, and that's fine. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. But I'm really surprised that someone who is 6 foot tall is not happy with the length of the rope. I am 6'1". I have friends who are 6'5", 6'4", who have been using the money rope, been using our speed rope, and there's been no issue. So I'm really confused about this comment. And if it is someone who watches this channel, please just drop me a message down below, drop me an email to put it on Amazon and say that it's not right for you and you're 6 foot. I'm 6'2" nearly, and I actually put knots in my rope. So you would have seen from all my tutorials, I end up actually using knots, which means it's going to get shorter. So if I'm able to skip with it and I'm able to show people around the world tutorials and high level advanced moves with this rope shorter than what you're saying it is, and it's too short for you, I'm confused. Another issue is that the comment did mention that this rope is not 10 feet long, which is again really confusing. The length from end of the rope to end of the rope is 10 foot. Now, I've already explained in my videos that the rope does need to go in the handle because it's not a mechanism rope. Mechanism ropes can start from edge of the handle, and that's just the way they work. With speed ropes, they need to go inside the handle and they need to be locked in so that obviously it doesn't just fall out. So you are going to lose a few centimeters with the rope being inside the handle and locked. But the rope is still 10 foot. So a lot of ropes out there are usually 9 foot long. This is one of very few ropes which is actually 10 feet long. Listen, if you are one of those people that did leave that bad review, just let me know and I can maybe get you some pointers. I can point you in the right directions. I want to help you. If you are one of those people, please get in touch privately, email me. I'm always happy to help you guys. Something like this on Amazon, it does go a long way. It's very powerful, these type of reviews, and I don't want anyone else to be put off, especially someone who doesn't really know about my channel. I'm now going to start hooking up my other crews around the world, and I promised you guys that Amazon Canada, Amazon India, and Amazon Australia are going to be the next 3 on the list. Let's go. Hey.
Oh yeah, how are you?
How are you? You alright?
And you guys are getting very busy.
Good to see you, okay?
Nice.
Sorry to rush you with some stuff.
If you want to take this away, what I'm saying, the color will be like this on this stock.
That could be quite nice, isn't it? Guys, this giveaway is absolutely blowing up. Check out all these comments. You guys are insane. Back home, more admin, Amazon admin, and then we're going to film this tutorial. Been waiting to do this tutorial for a long time, so we're going to get it in 3, 2. So guys, without further ado, I love you all. Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace. Man, what's going on? What are you up to today?
I'm just, hanging around, just chilling with my son. My day, I was supposed to go golfing today, but...
Nice.
One of those old...
Oh, the old school, yeah.
Yeah, the big ones. With Brian, he'll meet me after class.
Check out the time, people. Gigi and I are working super hard. Gigi's tired, I'm tired. But we are enjoying the journey, we're enjoying the grind. That's going to conclude the vlog. A lot done in the last couple of days. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep following the journey, subscribe, and make sure you comment down below if you're going to come down to Elevate. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, skip the treadmill, blah, blah, blah. Bye.
Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Adios.
Adios.
Adios.